Hi everybody, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are going to showcase some amazing new shades from the new Enrich Matte range of Lakme. Ta-da! So if you were following us on our Snapchat, you would have seen that we have shown you the 4 new amazing shades from this newly launched, or you can say revamped range from Lakme. So Lakme's new Enrich Matte range is all about the 20 new matte shades that has been designed to match your different outfits and your different moods. That is how I decipher it. Yes, I know a lot of you would feel that it is almost similar to their Enrich satin range which they have launched earlier. Yes, the packaging and all is quite similar.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin. And I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Well, those were the 4 different shades of the Lakme new Enrich Matte lipsticks. I hope you have liked them. I have deliberately wore a white top and I've kept a very nude kind of a makeup so as to give you a better picture. I hope it helps and comes handy when you're selecting a right shade for you. Before we move on, what are the things that I liked about this range and what I did not? I want to tell you that A, I'm wearing this shade Red Matte on my lips. B, I just had a cup of tea and some savories, but yet the best part is that my shade has remained intact. You can see. Here comes our favorite part of this video. Here's what we liked about this Enrich Matte lip shades and what we did not. Starting with what we liked about is, the first thing I liked about is the clear packaging, the clear and transparent packaging. I really love this grey transparent packaging for the lipsticks because A, it helps in determining what color is there inside, so you don't have to go through your stash, search and find the right shade, whether it's a pink or red. Of course you know, but when you have more than 10 to 12 lipsticks, it becomes a little difficult for you to establish the shade that you read on the label and you want to apply. That is the first thing. Second thing, talking about the packaging, the B thing, not the second thing, is that this kind of the kind of colors that I have got, they really look good in the nude and transparent background, which gives you a true essence of the color that is inside. So I really like this kind of packaging. Yes, it is very travel friendly. Second thing that I liked about them is the pigmentation. I found the pigmentation quite good, and like I said, I'm very happy with the staying power so far. Coming to the staying power of this lipsticks around 3 to 4 hours aram se, and lipsticks are very light to wear. When I say light, let me tell you that with an example. We all have heard about the bilateral symmetry of a face. Now when it comes to applying lipstick, I always look for the fact that how my horizontal symmetry falls with my lip color and my eyes. When I said that, what I mean is that when I've applied something on my lips and if it's too gaudy, you have a very uneasy kind of feeling over here. Suddenly the color, especially the red or an orange color, kind of just take away your attention from everything else and you are totally focused over this portion of your face. Thankfully, with this lipstick, irrespective of how many coats I have used, that feeling is not there. And like fifth and most important thing is the cost effectiveness. Yes, this lipstick comes at an MRP of Rs 295 only. Yes, you heard me right, it is just 295 only. So that means you can buy more and more shades, apply more, try more, experiment more colors. Of course, after all, there are 20 shades to choose from and probability of you liking more than one shade in 20 is quite high. I think that's a very killer proposition that Lakme has proposed in the market with the price of Rs 295 for a lipstick as good as this. You can, girls, you can buy more and more shades. You can also give to your friends, your family. It's Eid time, so you can, you don't have to think a lot about what to give to someone for the Eid. Maybe you can buy some 5 shades, 10 shades, or even all the 20 shades and gift it to them. Isn't that a good idea? My favorite shade from this stack is definitely the orange matte, and I also love this red matte. But somehow I have a feeling that this red is less of a red and more of a rustic red. That reminds me of another shade that Lakme has in their Gloss Edit range. I have that shade with me, here it is. This shade, the red that I'm wearing, the red matte from the Enrich matte range, is quite akin or similar to this red, this rustic red for the other range, Gloss Edit. So if you already have this shade with you, you may avoid buying or skip buying the red matte from the Enrich matte. While these lipsticks look very creamy, looks very cupcake kind of a thing, yes, that's the first word that came to my mind when I saw them. You may face a little issue with regard to the dryness. If you have dry or chapped lips, you must prepare your lips before wearing a matte lipstick. Overall, I love these shades, I love this new range, and I'm very glad to try them again and try more shades from this range. I hope you liked my video. Do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. So much look forward to hear from you. So follow me on my different social media channels. So till next video, take care, see ya, ciao.